Hello students, welcome to European Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi, and as you know, I always come with some good news in terms of employment for our dear students. So today we are going to discuss about one important employment. Okay, so that is from Majgaon Dock Limited. Okay, MDL we call it as, and sometimes we also know it by Majgaon Docks Builders Limited. Okay, so there is a special recruitment drive for SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates. Okay, remember the category: SC category, ST category, OBC category, PWD category. Okay, so this recruitment is not for open category. Remember one point. Okay, now the in this recruitment are based on experience as well as without experience, both. Okay, so we will discuss about different jobs like for the post of general manager we have some vacancies in this organization, for assistant general managers. Okay, and in technical, non-technical, various domains we have openings in this for these categories, right. So let us note down the important points. You can find this in the advertisement in the website of this MDL also. Okay, for MDL website, right. So this is the advertisement reference number, you can check. Now online applications opens from 20th Jan to 23 to 19th Feb 23. Okay, so application 20 जनवरी से 19 फरवरी तक ये रहेगा जब आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Okay, and the recruitment is based on the personal interview mainly, which may be conducted on 15th of March. That is tentative date for personal interview, on the basis of which they are going to select. Okay, and if they get more number of applications, then they decide for some test also. Okay, right now they are they have decided to recruit on the basis of personal interview only, right. So now let us see what are the different posts. So we can see here post: general manager, additional general manager, deputy general manager, chief manager, manager, deputy manager, assistant manager, senior engineer. Okay, grade of the job is given here, and the discipline: technical, finance, technical finance, HR, fire, company. Okay, so these are the disciplines, and number of openings are also here mentioned, and post qualification experience in years as on 1st Jan 2023, it is also mentioned here. Okay, and upper age limit is also mentioned here. So you can check according to your age, your experience, and the specialization for which you will be appointed. Okay, so if we see here executive trainee, okay, even grade executive trainee, technical 6 post, nil experience. So that is for freshers, those having no experience. So for them there is the executive trainee, technical 6 vacancies are there, and upper age limit to apply is 28 years. Okay, so for most of the students, okay, this is the application category: executive trainee, even grade. Okay, now you can see the grade pay scale in different grades, E1 to E8. What are the salary structure? CTC, you can see for E8 grade CTC per annum is 35 lakhs. Okay, and for ET E1, okay, executive trainee, it is 11.18 LPA. Okay, and reservation is for SC, it is 1 vacancy, ST 5. Okay, and total 6. So in technical, this is also important point, that 5 openings are there for ST category and 1 for SC category, and for OBC there is no post in this category. Okay, executive training. Now senior engineer, we can see OBC 4, ST 6, SC 5. So in different categories you can check a number of seats available. Now persons with disability, so who will be considered PWD? Those having more than 40% relevant disability, they will be recruited on the basis of PWD category, right. Now what are the different qualification requirements for different posts? So later on you can read this PDF in depth. Okay, if you find suitable your eligibility, then you should go for this PDF. Right now I am just giving you a brief introduction. So for, if we talk about general manager, okay, or additional general manager technical, full-time degree in engineering, in mechanical, electrical, electronics discipline, these are the 3 disciplines, with first class or minimum 60% marks or equivalent. Okay, this is the requirement. Now, or another possibility is full-time, part-time correspondence degree in naval architecture. Okay, So if you have full-time degree, part-time degree or correspondence degree in naval architecture or degree in engineering with postgraduate diploma in naval construction, okay, with first class or minimum 60% marks in both, then also you are eligible. Okay, so ये दो केसेस हैं, या तो ये वाला या ये वाला, कोई से भी अप्लाई करते हैं, you are eligible. Okay, then experience required is 23 years experience, okay, minimum, and 20 years post qualification experience for the post of general manager and assistant general managers respectively. And this experience must be shall be at the managerial level of production planning, design, commercial, project management. Okay, so these things you can study later also. Deputy general manager finance qualification you can see. Okay, cost and works accounts from a Institute of Cost and Works Accounts of India, Kolkata, or chartered accountant from Institute of Chartered Accountants India, New Delhi, or 2 years full time or part time or correspondence MBA. So correspondence MBA finance is also eligible here. Remember, correspondence MBA they are allowing, okay, because most of the students do this MBA, correspondence MBA, right? So now experience required here, you can see candidates should have experience in finalization of accounts, knowledge related to Companies Act 2013, okay, receivable management, exposure in area of central excise, service tax, VAT, corporate tax, all these things. So later on you can read this. Now chief manager, manager, deputy manager, assistant manager, senior engineer, technical के लिए क्या qualification है for all these posts? Okay, what is the qualification required? Again same full time or part time or correspondence degree in engineering, in mechanical, electrical, electronics. So these are the main three branches: mechanical, electrical, electronics engineer in technical category, 60% marks. Okay, or another criteria is naval architecture degree or diploma. This one. Okay. Now executive training technical. So this is important for students. Executive training technical qualification: full time, part time, correspondence degree in mechanical engineering, naval architecture, or degree in engineering with postgraduate diploma in naval construction with first class or minimum 60% marks in both degree and postgraduate diploma. So what they are asking actually for this category, if you have full time or part time or correspondence degree in mechanical, okay, you are eligible, right? Or naval architecture, you are eligible. Or if you have degree in engineering in any branch, suppose you have degree in any other branch, but you have postgraduate diploma in naval construction with first class or 60% marks, then also you are eligible. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria for this executive trainee post. And job requirement, so what duties you have to perform there, you can read it. Now grouping of technical disciplines. So if they are talking about mechanical, in this if they are talking about mechanical, so what branches are covered under mechanical head? So these are the branches: mechanical, mechanical and industrial engineering, mechanical and production engineering, production engineering, production engineering and management, production and industrial engineering. All these will be counted as mechanical discipline. Now electrical, electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation, these three will be considered under electrical. Okay, and electronics, electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation, these will be counted under electronics category. Only above mentioned discipline will be considered. If your branch name is not mentioned here, that is not eligibility. Okay, suppose someone is having instrumentation and control, that is not mentioned here, so you are not eligible, you can say. Okay, because they are written here, only above mentioned disciplines will be considered for the recruitment. Okay, now senior officer finance, what are the qualification required? You can read this later also. Then senior officer HR post is there, qualification 2 years full time, part time, correspondence, postgraduate diploma degree in labor and social welfare or labor studies or labor welfare, or many different categories are there in qualification. So you can read it later. And experience is 1 year post qualification experience is required here. Now senior officer fire vacancy is there, graduate of the Institute of Fire Engineers, okay, or graduate of any discipline having completed sub officer station officer कोर्स फ्रॉम नेशनल फायर सर्विस कॉलेज नागपुर। ठीक है, आपने बीटेक किया हुआ है, ठीक है, या ग्रेजुएट हो आप किसी भी डिसिप्लिन में, ठीक है, तो अब उसके बाद एक डिप्लोमा ये होता है आपका कोर्स स्टेशन ऑफिसर्स कोर्स फ्रॉम नेशनल फायर सर्विस कॉलेज नागपुर। अगर आपने ये किया हुआ है देन आल्सो यू आर एलिजिबल। ओके, और 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए यहाँ पे। देन सीनियर ऑफिसर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, सो कंपनी सेक्रेटरी के लिए बैचलर्स डिग्री इन लॉ LLB फ्रॉम रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और 1 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए इन सेक्रेटेरियल डिपार्टमेंट इन ए PSU और पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी इन एग्जीक्यूटिव कैडर। नाउ हिंदी ऑफिसर, ओके, राजभाषा, दिस इज आल्सो वन वैकेंसी, हिंदी ऑफिसर। सो क्या इनका काम रहेगा? एलिजिबिलिटी है मास्टर्स डिग्री इन हिंदी और संस्कृत विद इंग्लिश एज ए मीडियम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन एट ग्रेजुएट लेवल और मास्टर्स डिग्री इन इंग्लिश with Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject or as a medium of examination at graduation level. Experience is 1 year of post qualification as Hindi officer carrying out translation from Hindi to English and vice versa. So this is also for those who have degree in Hindi or English. Okay. Now senior officer medical, so MBBS is required and selection process, so personal interview will be there only. Okay, but if many students apply, then they may conduct written test also. So those who are eligible kindly apply in this job. Okay, thank you.